We live in a highly unequal world. And inequality matters for people's everyday lives. But inequalities do not occur naturally, they are the outcome of political processes. And inequalities also have political consequences. Therefore, it is very important to understand the political dimension of inequality. And we here in Konstanz are unique as a research institution in putting this dimension at the center of our research program. When we, as a community of researchers, started with the project of setting up an excellence cluster on the politics of inequality more than 8 years ago, we thought it is an important topic, of course, but we didn't expect that it would become such an important central topic for our societies.
So what is special for us as social scientists is that we do research on topics everyone has an opinion on. And this is a good thing, but it's also challenging because we have to make sure that the public debate is based on facts that are true.
This leads to interesting and relevant research questions, such as, are perceptions of inequality driving the rise of right-wing populism? Do high levels of inequality contribute to ethnic conflict and maybe even violent protests? How are large-scale challenges such as digitalization and climate change related to inequality? For that purpose, we have built a community of over 200 researchers at different career stages. They come from a range of disciplines such as political science, sociology, economics, linguistics, and many more. A core finding that has emerged from our projects in the last years is the dominance of a strong dynamic of self-reinforcing inequality.
For excellent research, you need a place where people come together. This ties in very nicely with our motto, Creative Together. So our aim at the University of Konstanz is to bring different people across the globe from different disciplines together to work on pressing problems of our times.
We at the cluster are very proud of the fact that we have established a community of early career researchers in which they support each other.
When I thought about where to spend my research semester, I didn't have any second thoughts. It was immediately clear that I was going to come to the cluster. I immediately felt integrated, and it's a really great place to come as international researchers.
I really value the possibility to do interdisciplinary research at the cluster. There are no disciplinary boundaries. You can do research with whoever you want and whoever is interested in the same things.
So it's not just that we want to be heard and that we feel it's our obligation to communicate our findings. It's also that research findings can make a real difference.
In the future, we want to understand how people can be made aware of existing inequalities. How can policymakers design policies that effectively mitigate inequalities rather than reinforcing them?